Number 2 then from the 2015 Advanced Higher Maths. There you go, there's your differentiations, your product rule and quotient rule. It's kicking off with the quotient rule this time. Express your answer as a single simplified fraction. What does that mean? That's scary. So, makes it sound as if it's complicated. Anyway, just following the pattern. Square the denominator and then it's differentiate the top, that's just 5, times the lower one, minus, now leave the top one alone, and differentiate the lower one, so that's just 2x. What's this simplified thing? It's got me rattled now. So that's just multiply that out, because we'll need to simplify this somehow. 5x squared plus 10, or does it just mean simplified as in don't just leave it lying about like this? Because you're used to being lazy like that in the higher and just leaving things lying around. Minus 2x times that, that's minus a 10x squared and minus a 2x. So tidying that up, I've got, unfortunately, a negative 5x squared and a minus 2x, but a plus 10 over x squared plus 2 squared. I don't see where the simplification comes in, unless that's all they mean. 4 plus 200, 204, that's not a perfect square. The top doesn't factorise. Don't know. Only thing I could do with that is make it a bit neater by taking that negative out. So it goes 5x squared plus 2x minus 10 all over x squared plus 2 squared. There we go. Now for part B. So this is the one with the product rule. I think first of all I'll just rewrite that as v squared, just to emphasise that there's a triple layer there. It's a function of a function of a function. Still, product rule. Differentiate this. Well, that remains as e to the 2x, multiply by the derivative of the inner function, which is a 2, and just leave that alone in its original form with sine squared 3x. That's done. Now, e to the 2x has had its turn. Now it's your turn. So, outer function, 2 times the thing inside, just to the power 1, so that doesn't matter. The thing inside is the sine of something, that will differentiate to the cos of that thing. The cos is operating on 3x, the thing inside is 3x, so finally times a 3. Now, tidy that lot up. So what can we take out? Well, it depends whether I want to take that 2 out or not, because that 2 could stay with this and tidy that term up. There's a couple of ways you could go. I'll just write it that way first of all. 2e to the 2x sine squared 3x plus, I think I'll just take that 3e to the 2x, but change that into the sine of 6x, just using that double angle formula. Sine 2a equals 2 sine single a cos single a. That's one way you could put it down. And I'll take out my e to the 2x as well, to leave it as 2 sine squared 3x plus 3 sine 6x. But you may have left it that way and taken 2e to the 2x out, leaving just sine squared 3x plus 3 lots of this thing. I just think that looks a wee bit neater.